In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play The Sims 4 multiplayer. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As The Sims 4 does not offer a default multiplayer mode built inside of the game, we are going to have to use mods. The mod that I believe is the easiest one to set up so you can play with your friends is going to be SimSync. So all that you have to do is look for SimSync on Google, and when you arrive at this page, click download. The download for the launcher will start immediately. You will have to create an account, which is something that you can do inside of the launcher, and I recommend that you go ahead and you read the frequently asked questions just so you can clear your doubts if you have any issues with how this works or if it is safe to use. So once you have the launcher, open it up, and like I said, the first thing that you will have to do is create an account. Because I have already set up mine, I won't be able to show you this on screen, but it is extremely simple. You just include an email address, a username, and a password. After you confirm all of those details, you will be ready to set up the game. So, on the dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is set up the Sims directory and the Documents directory. The Documents directory should be easy because it is going to be selected by default, but if you don't see it here, just follow the instructions. Usually you will have to go to the C drive or your main drive, Users, your name, Documents, Electronic Arts, and then the Sims 4. If this is different, just go ahead and change it. Well, usually you will click Edit, click this little folder icon, and like I said, go over to Documents, Electronic Arts, the Sims 4, and don't click anything else, just click Select. For the Sims directory, this is going to be why your actual game is installed. Because I am playing on Steam, it is going to be under Steam Library, Steam Apps, Common, and then The Sims 4. Like I said, I cannot give you clear instructions for every single launcher out there, but if your game is installed through the EA launcher, just research the folder where it is, and then go ahead and click Select. Save these changes, and now you will have to go to Host. One of you will be hosting the game so the other friend can join. Usually this is done by the person who has the best internet connection. Now select any of the save files and click this little green icon. You can also change enable or disable expansion packs in DLC, but I'm just going to go ahead and play. Make sure that you agree, and it is going to give you the join code. You can use the join code in the connect window, which I'm going to display briefly. I just need this to finish hosting. Now, once you have the code, just go ahead and paste it here. You will be able to start the save file inside of the game, and the person connecting has to paste the code that they got. Because of the way that I'm recording this video, I'm currently alone and I cannot show you how it is going to look visually, but if you set up everything correctly, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to play The Sims 4 multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.